Welcome back everyone once again to my channel. So in this video you'll find our ride from Kollam to Munnar. In this ride my wife also accompanied me, so here she is.
Hi, I'm Roshni. I'm glad to join him in this video. It's the first time I'm joining him. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and do click the bell button so that you get notified each time he comes up with a video. Okay, bye.
Welcome back everyone once again to my channel. So this is the first time that we are traveling together after starting my channel. So that's it. So we have reached actually Neriyamangalam. That bridge over there is called Neriyamangalam Bridge. I think we have to stop. The police is asking us to go, so yeah. So that bridge is called Neriyamangalam Bridge. So this is the connecting bridge between Idukki district and Ernakulam district. It is built over the river Periyar. You can see Periyar now. That's Periyar. Now the time is around 2:30. Actually, we started from Kollam at around 8 o'clock. So the route that we are following is Kollam-Pala-Thodupuzha-Adimalai-Munnar. We did stop in between. We stopped for breakfast in Kollam itself at around 8:30, and we stopped in Pala for lunch at around 12 o'clock. Today the date is November 22nd, which means we are almost 3 months after the flood, and so we can see the signs of landslides, here and there. Here also you can see the work is still in progress. Hopefully the road ahead is clear. Roshni, എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് റൈഡ്? ജസ്റ്റ് ഇവന്മാര് നോക്കി പോത്തില്ല. ഒരു കഷ്ടമാണ് നമുക്ക്. Bloody fools. When you come this side, be careful because some of the lorry and bus drivers are, least bothered about small vehicles. There is something over here, okay? Oh, it's a waterfall, man. Yeah, we'll stop here. Stop for further. Okay. Look at me up. The waterfalls that you just saw is called Chithirapuram waterfalls. So you can see a couple of riders, and finally we have reached Adimali. Manju,
ഇതാണ് അടിമാലി.
അതെ ഇതാണ് അടിമാലി. Oh, it is starting to rain heavily here. I think we need to stop. We'll stop here. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll stop here. It's still drizzling, but we are going to continue on with the ride. We have the rain gear with us, but we're lazy to wear that. Actually, we are not going to proper Munnar today because we have booked a room in a hotel called Spice Country in Chithirapuram, which is around 10 kilometers before Munnar. അടിപൊളിയല്ലേ? It is slowly beginning to rain now. Hopefully it stops. We just crossed Anachal and entered Chithirapuram. So our hotel should be somewhere around. Manju, നോക്കണേ.
Spice Country Road. We passed Spice Country. I saw it.
You saw it?
Yes. We have
Oh.
passed it.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, I saw it.
Okay then. So we have finally reached our hotel. So, and we are kind of tired,
Dead.
also because it was raining. So it was a nice ride, right? Yeah. So this is our hotel, Spice Country. So this is the lobby of the hotel. Actually, this hotel is constructed downwards. So actually, they told us there are 20 rooms here. So actually, when you look from the road, you'll find only the reception and lobby. So you'll think that it is a small hotel. Also, there is no lift here. So if you are planning to take elderly people, just be aware of it. So I'll give you a room tour. So Manju, how's the room?
Yeah, it's good.
It's okay. It's neat and clean, isn't it? So it's good, Yes, I'll go and check out the toilet. You also come with me. Yeah, it's neat and clean, as I said before. Say hi. So this is the view from our balcony. I think we have a nice view from here. Looks really fantastic. So we have finally here in the restaurant, for dinner, and we will show the restaurant and surroundings actually tomorrow, because now it's night, and it won't be able to see properly. So tomorrow I'll record properly. That's it. And so that's the view from outside the restaurant, and so that's it for today. So see you tomorrow. Bye.